No one wants to wake up to a pool full of debris, scum, or dirt on the walls and floors. However, all of this can be eliminated without breaking a hard work sweat. Introducing the Beatbot Sora 10 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Stay tuned as we review, set up, and also put to the test the Beatbot Sora 10 right after this. These are all the items that come inside of the packaging. Retrieval hook that would pretty much universally connect to just about any pool pole. And a 65-watt fast charging power plug and adapter. Last but not least, the Beatbot Sora 10 Robotic Pool Cleaner. And it weighs about 18.7 pounds. First thing you want to do is go ahead and download the Beatbot app and get it set up. And then tap allow and then sign up. You will go ahead and press the plus button here. And then it's going to look for the Sora 10. Now you have to make sure that the Sora 10 is powered on. This is where the power button is. So you have to remove that tape there. So the way the power is on, you will switch this to either standard side or switch it over here for preset. And this is where you would charge it by simply plugging this in. Now that I have it powered on, I can go ahead and continue. And now I just need to scan the QR code and confirm all the permissions are added. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. As you can see here, it's syncing up with the robot. And once done, you should see the screen here. It is recommended that you do fully charge it before using it, but for the time's sake of this video, I'm going to go through the process that way you can see how everything works and operates. There is an update, so I'm going to go ahead and update. Whenever you're doing an update, it's going to tell you that you must be charging and have at least 30% battery life before you do an update. So if I press the arrow button here, you have some information there. And then you can just tap on start. Enough of all this boring stuff. Let's go head to the pool. Before we put this to the test, let's cover some bases. There are 3 zones in shallow water cleaning, meaning it cleans floors, walls, waterline, and shallow areas as low as 12 inches. 6,800 GPH suction power, 5-liter debris capacity, and pro filtration. Smart waterline parking, so it will float for 10 minutes when it's complete before it does sink. It can clean up to 3,229 square feet of pool floor, and it has a powerful 7,800 milliamp battery, which can last up to 300 minutes. It has intensive wall and waterline cleaning, which we will put to the test. It could clean any pool surface, above or in-ground pools, with vinyl, concrete, fiberglass, mosaic tiles, and ceramic surfaces. It has dual connectivity, so it does connect to 2.4 and 5 gigahertz networks, which is pretty awesome. Bluetooth and convenient controls at your fingerprint from the app. And of course, it works with Alexa You Know Who for voice control. Let's see what it captured. As you can see, it captured some leaves and other debris that was in the pool. Cleaning it is quite simple. All you need to do is to take the bin out and then hose it down. And now it's ready to go for the next cleaning. So what do you all think? To me, I think it's a nice entry point for a robotic pool cleaner. It has several good features, even some premium features that some of the other entry-level robotic cleaners don't have. But is it perfect? No. Of course, it has its drawbacks. And again, at a great entry price, you're getting some top premium features. But let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Also, if you're interested in the Beatbot Sora 10, use the link in the description section of this video. But this completes my unboxing, setup, and review for the Beatbot Sora 10 robotic pool cleaner.